What's up, guys? My name is YBG Free Smoke, otherwise known as Fun Man Nice Man. It's my fit check. Got the Dior top, the fucking Supreme bag, right? We got Levi's jeans, the Hermes belt, and then we got the Alexander McQueen.
Yellow love, bro.
Okay, next.
I'm City Boy Josh. I got the Oakley, the Burberry jeans. I don't know if you can see that shit.
They see it, bro. They see it.
No, they got like the see it, you know what I'm saying? They got the Nike.
Woo.
Hey, I'm BBH birthday boy Harish. You already know it. We got the jeans from Cotton On, everything from Cotton On, shoes from Nike.
All rap shit. Don't worry about it.
Hey, you wanna fight? You wanna fight, man? Huh?
Let me see that hoodie.
Oh, isn't that Balenci, bro?
Actually,
Dude,
it's
that's Rob
Oakley.
Balenci, bro. That's
Alright, YBG, John. Nice to meet you. Young, Brown, and Gifted. We got on the Toronto fit right here with the jeans. Pure money's for me. Yeah, that's it.
Bro, call me Surya the Flash, you know me?
You're a waste.
You're always you. Alright, bro, we'll see you later. Peace out.